Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Aylezo Speed Zone, and today we're here together with Rudy to test out our mini GB bike because it has been sitting in the workshop for quite a while. So we all decided to give it a good clean up, maintain it a little bit so it's all nicely done up. So me and Rudy and Jaya, we're just gonna get down to the track and run the bike. So other than that, also I received some goodies from Shark, from Shima, for all my safety riding gear, so I'm going to share with you guys in a minute.
Alright, actually Zen sebelum dia race kereta, dia lah biker juga. Ini apa yang Zen cerita dekat orang lah. So berapa lama dah you?
A long time. I've been riding bike for more than 20 years, but recently I've stopped for a good 10 years because I was busy racing car. But now there's no racing, so it's time for me to get back to my toys again, so start riding again.
Yes. So kali ni kita terbalik. Aku jadi cikgu, saya jadi anak murid lah.
Yeah, now for me to learn from Jaya and for Rudy as well.
Alright,
yeah.
Apa hari ni? Jom tengok.
Okay, first of all, I received a new glove from Shima. Thank you very much, Shima. That's my new suit that they just gave me. Boots. You want to hear something funny? I put up my old boots, Rudy.
Yeah.
Before I put it on, it just fell apart. Everything disintegrated. So these are the new boots that I just received from Shima. Nice. Very nice. This is from Holland. Yeah. So I have a full race boots, which I'm going to try it on. Needs a bit of time.
Holland or Poland?
From Poland.
Holland, yeah.
Poland, yeah.
From Poland. Actually, the designer then, is a lady designer yang buat runaway. Pas dia buat design runaway, dia main motorbike, and then dia start to design the suit. That's why the suit is very like something designing punya konsep, ada benda-benda ni kan. Normal racing suit is made for racing, this is for
lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
A bit more lifestyle concept.
Cukup lah, ada
got a lot of protections here. Okay, when Shark found out that I'm going back to riding again, so they sent me a new helmet, which is very nice of them. Thank you very much, Shark. And this is the helmet that I received today. It's called the Squall 2. This is not the latest helmet. It's been out for 2 years now. What's so special about this helmet is because it has got a LED built-in light. You can see here, these are the LED light here on top, and down here the mouth guard area, and then the rear. Okay, I was told that currently this is the only helmet with LED functions in the market. Unfortunately, I can't switch it on right now because it's brand new and it's not charged. It's got a lithium battery built in, and come with this USB port where you can actually charge it. So I'm gonna go home and charge it tonight, and then I'll show you guys in another video clip that how the LED come on. Okay, so meanwhile today I'm just gonna use my old Shark helmet. This is the one. Okay, full carbon. So
very old lah.
Not very old, about 2-3 years old, you know. Looking forward to start riding again. Hell of a good exercise as well. I have a lot to learn from Rudy and Jaya. They're gonna show me how to ride mini GP properly, so I won't kill myself. Yeah, Rudy, cikgu.
Saya takut you ajak saya balik ni. Experience tak boleh diajar, ya betul tak? So jom kita tengok. First kita tengok Zen suit up. Almost 10 years dia tak pernah suit up. Selalu dia pakai racing suit. Nanti you explain lah apa beza pakai racing suit kereta dengan racing suit motor kan?
Yeah, two different types of suit kan? Yeah, two different, yeah.
Jom.
Okay. I'm all stood up, ready to go.
You know there ain't another girl like her in the city. No, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty. But I'm the ride she's driving insane. won't you let it go? I'm the line and finally I'ma let you know you're somewhere in between my lanes. Hey, you know there ain't another girl like her in the city. Yeah, yeah, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty.
Me and Rudy just had a crash. We were just running in the bike. Unfortunately, Rudy's knee caught the tire in turn 2 and flipped him around. And then he was in the middle of the track. I had nowhere to go but to run over his bike. So I was very lucky because...
Sorry, Zen.
No, don't apologize. The most important thing, you are safe. So I was very lucky. After I hit the bike, I flipped over and landed on my bike but on top of the tires. So I'm very lucky in that sense.
Hey, apa ni SpongeBob?
SpongeBob? Come on, Rudy. I just started riding. Now you make me scared.
I dah syok dah. Kan you kan? I dah syok dah. So I kata, okay, boleh jauh. Laju sikit. Lambat sikit kan? Kita punya badan dah penat.
Right. Rudy tired. Yeah. Thanks to our riding gear. Yes, we got full riding gear. Thanks to Shima. Okay, we're trying to get him up. I think it's okay. Rudy just winded. Nothing was...
No.
Cannot. Oh, that's not good.
Tak boleh kita ambulance. Lah, yang paling takut kata tadi
I hit you. Yeah, I saw your body in the middle of the track. I tried to avoid you as much as possible, but this is my first scratch on my suit. Also my boots. Imagine without this protection, my foot would have been badly injured. So yeah, thanks to the gear. Okay, we are trying to carry Rudy and lift him onto the table.
Ow! Ow!
Can we carry?
Mari sini belakang ingat saya Hercules.
This is our resident stretcher. We have to improvise because we don't have a stretcher. So yep, we will go and get a stretcher soon in case of an emergency like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the damage on my bike. Not that bad, just the fairing. As you can see here, some scratches here and there. This is the rear fairing. This part is quite bad, so need to remove it and repair with fiberglass on the exhaust tip as well. Not so bad. Let's check on the other bike. This one suffers similar damages, mostly all fairing. As you can see, the front mudguard is also cracked. The windshield, the front screen is broken and it's gone. This thing is also broken, suspension canister, but no big deal. Fix it and get it back to working condition again. Okay, we're trying to get Rudy in the car. Hey Rudy, get well soon.
For the content.
Yeah, keep us posted, okay? Let us know what happened.
Right.
So guys, you also what happened in the video. Rudy and myself had an accident during our testing. Motorsport is a sport like no others. It's dangerous, especially if you participate in them without having the correct or proper safety equipment. Take your personal safety seriously, don't be arrogant and think you're a badass for not giving a flying fish about safety. You will only end up getting seriously hurt, or you might even end up killing yourself. Don't make the mistake of so many enthusiasts. Get clued up on what you need to do in order to stay safe while riding. Lastly, I would like to say thank you to Shark Helmet and Shima Motorstyle riding gear for keeping me safe. If you need any help or advice regards to the safety gear, leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's all from me today. Take care guys and stay safe out there. Bye.